Yo, D-Bag!
Welcome to Canton Schwyz, and welcome to Schwyz, the capital city of Canton Schwyz. Aptly named, of course. Schwyz is about 45 minutes southeast of Zurich. Just heading into the Swiss Alps and plateau on the northern side of Schwyz, and then into the Swiss Alps. Just a beautiful, absolutely gorgeous canton. One of my favorite cantons. They have really great fishing laws, so they're really open. The fishing map here is huge, and you buy a daily card and you can fish in the whole canton. So for me, I really love it. You don't have to stay in one spot. You don't have to stay on a beat. With that being said, fun facts about Canton Schwyz. It is one of the 3 oldest cantons in Switzerland. Second fun fact is the Swiss flag is actually from this city here, from the coat of arms of this city right here. Third fun fact is that there is a very popular knife that is made in Switzerland, and it's made right behind me. It's called a Swiss Army knife, and the factory is called the Victorinox Factory. Let's go inside and have a look. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. She was super nice. I'm not really used to asking people if I could film or not, but I did. And she said, yeah, not a problem. This is an old press. I asked the lady inside, or the nice woman inside, what it was, and she said it's an old press from when they used to make Swiss Army knives back in the early 20th century. Thought it was super cool. Look at this thing here. Boom. Think about getting your hand stuck in there. Holy crikeys. So the other place I was going to take you to show you the Forum of, or the Schweizer Bundesmuseum, which is like Forum of Swiss history. Unfortunately, it was closed. So I just got there a little bit too late, and I didn't really want to deal with the parking out. So now I'm going to go to a river called the Muotta, M-U-O-T-A, and I'm going to drive there and check out the sights. It's really a beautiful drive. Beautiful river. After I do that, I'm gonna go try to find a place to relax and to sleep tonight, and then we'll go from there. The town of Muotta. Beautiful. I think if you grew up here and everything else, oh my god. Like, why would I go anywhere else? In the wintertime, this is an absolute paradise. What a lovely place to be from. But in general, I think the people are absolutely fantastic. And I think they're fantastic because of the stuff you see around me, because of what they're surrounded with on a daily basis. They're just surrounded with this really positive vibe. Hard not to be positive. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this for a bit. Sorry to go on a rant. I'm gonna enjoy it for a bit, and then I'm gonna go try to find a place to kind of hunker down for the night. Catch you guys in a bit. I just pulled up to my place for the night, and there's a few other cars parked there. One from the Netherlands, two from France, one guy with his bike from Switzerland, so yeah, it should be fun. Now, I like small creeks, but that's a little too small. Just for the sake of privacy of the people who are staying at the place where I'm staying at, I'm not going to really do much filming tonight. So if I see something really neat, like a good sunset or something, then I'll get that. But if not, I'm going to just kind of chill out for the evening, read a book, and then I'll see you guys in the morning. Morning, everybody. It's a beautiful morning in Muatatal, back at the river. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Had some breakfast and just wanted to come down and check the river. I don't know, you could just sit out here and have some coffee, some tea, Coke Zero, and just enjoy the view. Definitely doesn't suck, that's for sure. Kinda want to get down in there. That just looks way too juicy. Want a little bit on the inside there. Speed of your flies when you're Euro nymphing. Ooh, there's one. It's incredibly important. Hey bud, how you doing? Good morning to you, my friend. In the net. See if we can just take him out of there without touching him too much. There you go. Beautiful little water brown trout. Alright bud, let me see if I can get you out of here. This is like some science experiment going on here. There you go. Cheers bud. First one of the day. Speed and presentation, man. It cannot be understated. That looks nice right there. Right at the bottom end. What's going on there? Inspiring to catch a fish right there. Ooh, there's one. If that means anything to anybody. How you doing? Good morning, you jumper. Look at this guy, he's going crazy. Bum, bum, bum. Beautiful little brownie. Classic. Knew there would be one in there. It's supposed to be warm today. It's only 9 o'clock. Try another spot. All right, fish on. He was laying in the back here. Nice little guy. Appreciate you. Hey, bud. Something about purple, man. Purple and pink. How are you doing? Make your day a lot better. Let me see, did I get you out? Yeah, you're out. Get out of there. Nice. Well, everybody, thanks for coming along. Again, we're in the Wuttertal in Canton Schwyz in Switzerland. It was a great day today in the morning. I'm calling it though, it's about 11 o'clock. I got a good 3.5 hours fishing in. That's enough for me for today. I gotta go eat lunch and I got about an hour drive home. So thanks for sticking with me and we'll see you in the next one.